how to check if you've been hacked on iPhone. Now, there can be various signs to figure out if you've been hacked on an iPhone. First of all, to run a safety check, simply open Settings and you want to go to Privacy and Security from here. From Privacy and Security, you can simply go to the option called Safety Check. So we'll just look for the option called Safety Check over here. And over here, we can simply select Safety Check, Reset or Manage Access. So immediately reset access for all people and apps and review your account security. Just select that. And if you're getting negative results, that could be one of the signs of the compromise. Second, you can check your Apple ID login status. So just make sure your Apple ID is also secure by tapping on your Apple ID over here. Then simply going to your name, and from here you can see a list of devices that your Apple ID is logged in on. So if you see some devices that you don't recognize, remove them from there and change your password immediately by tapping the sign in and security option and changing your password. You must also review all the third-party installed profiles, right? So from Settings, go to General, and from General, you can go to the option called VPN. So VPN and device management. If there are any third-party profiles like configuration profiles that hackers often use to bypass the system security, make sure to disable that as well. Some physical signs are battery and heat, right? So if you go to Settings and you go to battery, and if you're noticing high consumption usage of your battery, so look for a high background activity from apps that you don't recognize, and rapid battery drain, constant overheating often indicate malware is actually running covertly or hiddenly, but that's why it is occupying space and it is occupying, let's say, all the battery and energy in the background. Now, if you see any type of sensor dots at the top, right, because whenever some type of sensor is being used, it will show a dot at the top. If that's also showing, then that could be chances of the compromise. Now, we talked about the compromise, but how do you go about fixing it? To fix it, do a full factory reset, but that might not guarantee it. Even after doing a full factory reset, you are still facing that issue, then you might have to take it to a nearby service center and let them know that something is wrong with your iPhone, and they should be able to help you further by restoring the software via iTunes and removing the software completely and reinstalling it again. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.